In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into Microsoft Bookings so you can quickly access your calendar and booking tools without any confusion. We'll walk through what to do if you're already logged into your Microsoft account, and I'll add some helpful tips along the way so everything feels smooth and familiar. First, open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in either office.com or microsoft365.com, then press enter on your keyboard. Both addresses will take you to the same Microsoft 365 homepage, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. If you're already signed into your Microsoft account, you should land on a dashboard that shows your recent files and some common apps like Outlook, Word, or Excel. If you're not signed in yet, Microsoft will prompt you to enter your work or school email address and your password. Go ahead and sign in using the account that's licensed for Microsoft 365, ideally the one your organization provided. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Microsoft 365 home screen. Now, to get to Bookings, look towards the top left corner of the page. You're looking for the app launcher, which is often called the waffle icon. It looks like a small square made up of 9 tiny dots. This icon is your gateway to all the Microsoft 365 apps connected to your account. Click on that waffle icon. A panel will open showing a grid of app icons such as Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. If Bookings has been pinned or used recently, you may see it right here in this main grid. The icon usually has a calendar-style design and it's labeled Bookings. If you see it, simply click it, and Microsoft Bookings will open in a new tab or in the same window, depending on your browser settings. From there, you're in and you can start managing your booking pages, services, and calendars. If you don't see bookings in that initial list, don't worry. That doesn't necessarily mean you don't have access. The app panel only shows a selection of apps by default. At the bottom of that panel, look for an option that says All Apps and click on it. Clicking All Apps will expand the full list of applications available to your account. This list is usually in alphabetical order, which makes it easier to scan. Scroll down until you find Bookings. If your list is long, you can also use the search box that appears in this section. Start typing Bookings, and the app should appear as a search result. Once you see Microsoft Bookings in the list or in the search results, click on it. The Bookings app will open, and you'll be taken to your main Bookings page, where you can see calendars, schedules, and booking pages linked to your account. If you still don't see Bookings after searching under All Apps, it may mean that your organization hasn't enabled it or your account doesn't have the right license. In that case, you might want to contact your IT administrator to confirm access. And that's all there is to it. By going to office.com or microsoft365.com, using the waffle icon in the top left corner and opening Bookings from either the main list or the All Apps section, you'll be able to log into Microsoft Bookings whenever you need it.